So we fix the pumping machine. Now this is the machine. It's working. We put it on. It's working. You know, when the tank is up like this, it doesn't guarantee you that you are going to have pressure in the washrooms. It will just flow by gravity. So now that we've added a machine to it, let's go into the washroom and look at the pressure. Okay. Okay, my boss. So this is the hand washing basin. That's the pressure. So the hand washing basin now is flowing. Now this shower, the LED light and everything is going to come on. That's it. Because now the pressure is good. That is the shower. Yeah. That is the water flowing. So now the pressure there, the pressure is okay. Yeah. See itself too. That's it flowing. This washroom, if we come here, that's the hand washing basin with more pressure. Then the WC port. That's the big flash. Okay, we come to the shower. That's the shower. Flowing with more pressure. And that's coming from the telephone shower. This is flowing from here. So now the pressure is massive. It's flowing. Everything is working. Washroom too. This washroom, this is the hand washing basin. That's the hand washing basin flowing. This is the mirror. The mirror is being fixed. This is the hand washing basin flowing with water. Then if we go to the shower, this is the shower coming. Then if we go here, this is the big rose flowing with water. This is the shutter. So now the pressure with the help of the pumping machine, that's the water flowing. Then we come to the WC port as well. That's it. So for the top floor, all the 3 washrooms and the top floor is now okay. Okay. As usual, because of the way this hand washing basin is, we've not connected it yet. Then if we come here, this is WC port. This is the WC port. That is